Hey guys, so really important question today. Today's question is, if I teach mainly through games, will my kids miss out? Well, before I give you the answer, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you had this question. And the answer is really simple. No. As a matter of fact, if you teach mainly through games, your kids will end up gaining more. And I'll tell you why. Let's use math, English, writing, all the core courses that are super important. As a teacher, I could sit on top of the class or in front of the class and teach 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1, and I can just teach and teach and teach. But at the end of the day, whatever I teach is whatever I want the kids to know. Now, something I notice when I take out a game, which is the same skills. You take out a simple math game, and it's still 1 plus 1 is 2. But the kids themselves are making their connections. I have noticed time and time again that when I'll take out, whether it be something as simple as an addition game, something more complex as a math fact family game, and the kids are not only giving me the answer, but they're saying, by the way, I went to the store and I saw these numbers. Or, by the way, you know what? Just because these two numbers equal that, those two numbers equal that. Now, in a traditional classroom setting, the kids have to answer exactly what I say. But when we're playing a game, it is telling the kids, I allow you to talk. I allow you to make the connections. And so is teaching through games different? 100% yes. But let me tell you, the long-term success you are going to see when teaching through games is far worth anything you can imagine. In my opinion, one game, especially skill-specific game, mastered, is going to give your child so much more growth than 1 full year in the classroom. Just think about it. They're learning soft skills, conversational skills, connections. I mean, I can go on and everything they could learn for one game. And let me tell you, if you would like me to make more videos, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I have tons more content. And as you could see, YouTube turned off my comments, but don't worry. I started an Instagram page. Head over there, ask me any question you want, and I will do my best to do one of two things. Number 1, answer you directly on Instagram, or number 2, create a post right here on YouTube. So don't forget to like and head over to Instagram for more content and just to connect. You guys are the reason we're here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful day.